Today's topic is Understanding Quadrilateral, exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Given the parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. In this first question, they asked AD equal to dash. AD equal to BC because opposite sides are equal. Second option they given angle DCB is equal to angle DAB because opposite angles are also equal. Then third question they given OC equal to dash equal to OA because AC diagonal will bisect at O, therefore OC equal to OA. Fourth question angle DAB plus angle CDA both are adjacent angle. When we add this both, we have to get 180 degree. Now we'll see the answer. First one is AD is equal to BC because opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Second one, angle DCB is equal to angle DAB because opposite angles in the parallelogram are equal. Third one is OC equal to OA because AC diagonal will bisect. Fourth one is angle DAB angle plus angle CDA equal to 180 because adjacent angles if we add it will become 180 or supplementary. Second question, consider the following parallelograms. Find the value of the unknown x, y, z. They have given here 5 figures. First figure ABCD they given parallelogram. In this B and C adjacent angles. When we add this two angles, we have to get 180. Therefore, B angle equal plus C angle equal to 180. B angle they given already 100 degree. 100 plus x equal to 180. Therefore, x we need means 100 degree we have to take to right hand side as minus. Therefore, 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree we got now. So, opposite angles are equal, that's why x angle equal to z angle. So, when x is 80 degree, therefore z also it will be 80 degree. Then, y angle and b angle is opposite angles, therefore y angle equal to 100 degree. In second figure, x angle plus 50 angle when we add, we should get 180 because it is alternate angles. Then x we need means 180 minus 50 will get 130 degree. Therefore, x angle also, z angle also corresponding angles. So, z also will get 130 degree. X angle and y angles are opposite angles, that's why both are equal. Therefore, x equal to y equal to 130 degree. In third figure, they have given rhombus. So, rhombus diagonals will meet at 90 degree. Therefore, first coordinate you look at, here they given x angle and y angle and 30 angle. Because two diagonals will meet at 90 degree, therefore, x angle equal to 90 degree. Then we have to add x angle and y angle and 30 degree will get 180 degree because it is like triangle. Then y angle plus x angle plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. We have to substitute x value as 90 degree. Therefore, y angle equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, now these two lengths are parallel. Therefore, y angle and z angle are alternate angles. So Z angle equal to Y angle also will get 60 degree. In fourth figure, they have given parallelogram. So Z and 80 degree are corresponding angles. So Z also is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, now x plus 80 when we add, it is adjacent angle, we have to get 180 degree. X angle we need. Therefore, x equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100. Therefore, y equal to 80 degree because it is opposite angles. Observe fifth figure. They have given one diagonal so that we'll get two triangle. Above triangle they given x, y and 40 degree. Down triangle they have given one corner 112 degree is equal to y angle because both are opposite angles. Then above triangle we should add x plus y plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. So 40 plus 112 because y value we have to substitute there plus x angle equal to 180. Therefore, this 40 and 112 degree when we add 152 degree. Therefore, 152 plus x angle equal to 180. X we need means 152 we have to shift to right hand side. We'll get 28 degree. Therefore, x angle equal to 28. So, x and z angle are alternate angles. That's why Z angle also will get 28 degree. Question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if first condition is D angle plus B angle equal to 180 degree. Second condition is AB equal to DC equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 4 centimeter and BC equal to 4.4 centimeter. Third question is angle A equal to 70 degree and angle C equal to 65 degree. First question, D angle plus B angle equal to 180 they given. Here opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angle when we add only we have to get 180. But here if we add 180 we will get means like 90 plus 90 like that. But it can be. But here it needs not to be. Second one they given AB and DC is equal to 8 centimeter and AD they given 4 centimeter and BC also should be 4 but here 4.4 they given. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. But here AB is not equal to BC. So therefore ABCD is not a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles should be equal. But here angle A 70 degree, angle C 65 they given. So it is not equal. So therefore, this is not a parallelogram. Fourth and fifth question is your homework, children. Do it.